Okay, we have created a file, a folder. Then we went inside that, and then we have created a file. Right click, new text document, then copy and paste that. Okay, one thing, if you cannot see the extension, so there's a way. Extension pane නැති කවුරු හරි ඉන්න පුළුවන්. Then you can go to the view and tick file name extension. Extension එක පේන්නේ නැත්නම් view වලට ගිහිල්ලා file name extension කියන එක click කරන්න පුළුවන්. That you can do. Okay, after that you will see the extension. Please untick this Manud, then you will see the name only. Nama vitarai payne. And tick this again, then you can see the extension also. Okay. Now you know about the file name and extension. Okay. So let's rename these files. Press F2. Press F2. F2 එක press කරන්න. Or right click rename. F2 එක හොයාගන්න බැරි නම් right click rename or rename. Yes, rename there. Then give like you can give 1 2 3 as the name. Right. Then press enter and it will rename everything because you have selected all no. 1 2 3 දීලා enter කරාම ඔක්කොම rename වෙනවා. You can see all are renamed now. Okay. Now let's see different extensions. So can you try to change the extension, Manudar? I need PDF. I need JPG. I need zip. I need exe. And I need PPT. I need docx. I need pptx. I need xlsx. And also log. And also JPG is there, yes, PNG is there, GIF is there, ICO.
Sir, what is the after PDF extension?
Right, yes, I need LNK2, I need EXE and SCR also. The other extension, can you see the screen? It's there in the screen, Putri.
Yes.
Change the screen, change the extensions and see. Different extensions. PDF will convert that. So you can see the icon is also changed. Neither extension එක වෙනස් කරනකොටම icon එකත් වෙනස් වෙනවා බලන්න. Extension එක විතරයි හරි. නම එහෙමම තියන්න ඕන. dot එකට පස්සේ තියෙන එක. dot එක මකන්නත් එපා. Don't remove the dot. If you remove the dot, that is also a problem. Okay. Change this and see. Others can also do this with Manudar. Manudar කරනවත් එක්කම අනිත් පැත්තත් කරන්න පුළුවන්. Change the extension only. නම තියන්න එහෙමම extension එක විතරක් මාරු කර කර යන්න බලන්න. Okay. හරිද? docx. So you can see, so what you can see other than the extension, this is also changing. බලන්න මේ මෙතනත් වෙනස් වෙනවා. extension එක විතරක් නෙවෙයි. ඉස්සරහ තියෙන type එක. That is also changing. Adobe Acrobat JPG file. Then මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? WinRAR zip archive application, Word document, PowerPoint document. Likewise, it is also changing the type. And also the icon and the type. Changing the icon and the type, both.
What is happen if we open the exe one?
Sorry?
What if we open the exe file?
Nothing will happen, Abhinu. මොකද දන්නවද? මේ එක ෆයිල් එකකවත් data නැහැනේ මොකුත්. ඉන්න මොකුත් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Nothing will happen. It will give an error maybe. All files are empty files, right? 0 KB. You can see all are 0 KB. Empty files. Because we created empty files now. All are 0 KB. So if you change this, nothing will happen. Because no data are there. There are no data.
LOG didn't change anything.
Sorry?
The extension LOG?
Yes, log is a text file. That's why it didn't change that. log is a text file. LNK is a shortcut, and speciality of LNK is you cannot see the extension after changing. LNK වෙනස් කරාට පස්සේ ඒක shortcut එකක් වෙනවා. ඒතකොට LNK පේන්නෙත් නැහැ. LNK කියන එකක් නැති වෙලා යනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ඒක ආයෙ rename කළා වැඩක් නැහැ මනුද. ඕක ආයෙ rename කරන්න එපා. තේරුමක් නැහැ. You cannot get that back. You have to copy another file. Other than that, yes, no, not new folder, a new file. Okay. So after creating BAT file, I'll give you a small exercise again. After creating the BAT file, we have to do another thing. SCR is a stream saver file. Oops. But it is not actually a stream, so it's not working. Empty. Okay, just create that file, Puti. Just create the bat file. And right click and edit it. Right click and edit it. Yeah, let's write a small command. Right? So this is like an interesting thing. Okay, let me write a small command. I'm writing REN. One of the, please give the control. Yeah, REN. I'm writing asterisk dot asterisk. Sieluma file asterisk dot asterisk. All names and all files. All names and all types. I need to rename them as same name with, let's say I want to rename all of these as, okay, let's say all of these as, okay, text, all of these as PPT files. All of these files as PPTX. So that can be done by using a bat file. Bat file is actually a command file. It's using command line. Then එක වෙනුවට මෙහෙම asterisk dot asterisk space, then give asterisk dot pptx. When someone double click on this bat file, everything will be renamed to a PowerPoint file. You can see all are now PowerPoints. So this is what I said. How fast the command line? The command line එක ගොඩක් fast. ඒකනේ command එකක් දුන්න හැටි ටක් ගාලා ඔක්කොම ටික දැන් මනුදට විනාඩි 10ක් විතර ගියානේ rename කරන්න 5ක් විතර ගියා. හැබැයි අරක තප්පරේ all the files are now renamed to the PPT PowerPoint, the given extension. Okay, now you can see the fastness of and the usage of command line interface, and we learn about the files and folders too. Files are actually holding data, commands. It can be a text, it can be visual data. Files are holding those things, and folders are to organize the files. Folders are used for organizing the files. And either way, you can use folders or files. The another thing is everything is opening using a window. That is the basic thing for Windows. The Windows කියලා කියන්නේම window වල open වෙනවා. So let's double click on some file. Take a file like a double click කරනකොට. Let's double click. And it will open with the default program. That is also a window, but that can be a different application. Right. Window. That is PowerPoint window, but that is empty one, right? That's why it's showing that empty slide. Just close it. Okay. Window has several operations. So if you want to get the window submenu, you can press Alt and space. Alt එකයි space එකයි press කරන්න ඕනම window එක තියෙනවා. Alt space. That will give you this submenu. Can you see this? Alt and space. Window එකේ ඉඳලා Alt එකයි space එකයි. Then you can press any key there. Underline කරලා තියෙන ඕනම key එකක් press කරන්න පුළුවන්. You can press any key, underline key. Then R එක press කරොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ මනුද? Restore down. I Alt space දාන්න. Alt space again. Then if you press X key, what will happen? X key, maximize. Alt space, again, alt space. Then N key, minimize. Then how to get that window back? Alt tab. ALT tab key. ALT get tab bega. Okay. Then you can get that window back again. Then alt space M key, alt space R, and alt space R will restore down. After that, alt space M key is for moving. R कर लें, restore down कर लें कुछ, खत्म है. Restore कराना था मैं move कराना, resize कराना देनी. R का press करना. Okay, now you can press alt and shift M key or S key. Alt space M key or S key. Right? Alt space M key for moving. Alt space S key for resizing. Resize कराने को हम तो move कराने arrow keys वाले move कराने. To use do that, you can use arrow keys. Alt space move M key. You can use arrow keys and press enter. Arrow keys වලින් ඊතල වලින් එහාට මෙහාට කරලා enter කරාන ඔන්න හරි. ඊට පස්සේ alt space S එකට එහෙමයි. alt space ගහලා S එක ගැහුවා. ඒකෙන් size එක නේ වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. ආයතර arrow keys වලින් යන්න. Also again use arrow keys and then press enter. Right. Okay, that is about a window control. Okay, now we learn about windows and also we learn about window controls. Okay, what is message box? What is message box? Okay, let's do another exercise, Manuda. Then Manuda matama adalla gani. Hari. Then නැත්තම් තව වෙලා යනවනේ share කරන්න. Okay. Manuda, can you create a text file again? Right click, new text file. And open it. Just open it by double clicking. Then type msgbox, msgbox, x, x, box, within bracket, within quotation, within double quotation, hello all. Then close the bracket and close the quotation. Close the quotation, close the brackets, and file save as. This time you can use the same name, but with extension should be VBS. VBS is the extension. VBS. VBS. S. VBS. Save karan balan. Then open kar. Just close and open it. Inside new folder is. You have saved inside new folder. Folder ka apil tama save kari. Pratiin antimana VBS kila file. Just double click that. And you see, it will display a message called hello all. Right? It will display a message.
Show the code.
Sorry.
What do we have to type?
පෝඩා එක ලොකුවට පෙන්වන විදිහට හදන්න බැයිද?
ඒක ලොකුවට පෙන්වන්න හදන්න බෑ පුතේ. ඕකේ. එහෙමනම් හදන්න වෙන්නේ programming language එකකින් VB වගේ එකකින්. label එකක් විදිහට දාලා තමයි.
Java පුළුවන්ද?
ඔව් Java වලින් පුළුවන්. code එක පෙන්වන්න මනුද? code එක පෙන්වන්න අනිත් අයට. What did you write? Can you show? Okay. msgbox within bracket hello all, within quotation hello all. Then you have to save as VBS. The extension is Visual Basic Script. VBS. Here you can see the extension. That is VBS. Visual Basic Script. VBS. Okay, so now you know different extensions can do different things. BAT files are command files. VBS are VBS script files. Right? You can use VBS script even to create viruses, but don't do that. Okay. Now, right. So let's come back to the lesson and what we have discussed today. The summary. We learned that different files are having different icons. These icons, files, these are decided using the file extension. When you change the extension, kamal.docx, file name is kamal.docx is the extension. In between that, you have a dot. Then we learn about the window controls, maximize, minimize, close. So those are window controls. And then we learn about the shortcuts of doing that. How do we minimize everything together? Windows 100ක් විතර open වෙලා තියෙනවා. කොහොමද එකපාර minimize කරන්නේ ඔක්කොම? Yes?
Windows D.
Windows key and D key. You can show desktop. ආපහු ගන්නත් පුළුවන් ආයේ Windows D එක ගැහුවා. එතන හදිස්සියට අගාල window ගොඩාක් තියෙනවා minimize කරන්න ඕන. එක එක minimize කර කර ඉන්නේ නැහැ දැන්. IT පුළුවන් ළමයි නම්. IT හරියට ඉගෙන ගත්ත ළමයි නම් if you learn IT correctly, no need to minimize one by one. එකක් ඔන්න mouse එක අරන් යනවා එකක් minimize කරනවා. ආයේ mouse එක අරන් යනවා ඊළඟ එක minimize කරනවා. එහෙම කරන්නේ නැහැ. You can press Windows key and D key. That will minimize everything together. ආයෙ ගන්න ඕන නම් ආයෙත් press කරන්න Windows key and D key. Okay, so we have to use shortcuts පුතේ. Right, then we learn how to resize the window, how to close the window, all these things using shortcuts because regular method you already know. And then learn about the file folder. And in file folder example, actually we learn about so different folders. Actually, folder cannot be identified by using the icon. Icon is only one factor because this icon can be changed. Right? Icon can be changed and open in editing file. We discussed that. So how to change the icon of a folder? Can anyone show this as a last step? How do we change the icon of the file? Can you show it quickly? Okay, Tenura. First of all, please create a new folder, Tenura. I think your screen has some issue. Tenura, my recommendation is if you are using a theme, so please like try to not to use themes, right? Otherwise, it will slow down the computer. So that's what I feel. Can anyone share the screen with it? How do you come on? Okay, Vinita. Mobile phone එකේ බෑ පුතේ. Mobile phone එකේ පෙන්නන්න අමාරුයි folder එක. Vinita. පුළුවන් mobile phone එකේ පුළුවන්. ඒක display කරන්න අමාරුයි අනිත් අයට. Okay, right click new folder and create a folder පුතේ. Right click new folder. Quickly do this. Then right click on the folder and go to the properties. Right click on the folder and go to the properties. Properties වල කොතනද? හරි properties වලට ගියාම හෝ මේකේ තියෙනවා customize කියලා එකක්. මේ properties වල ගියාම අන්තිමටම තියෙනවා general නෙවෙයි. මෙහෙම ගියාම මේ tab එකේ තියෙන custom. In the customize you can see change icon. You can go there and change icon. Then you can apply any icon. Any icon from this. මෙතන තියෙනවා empty icon. This icon තියෙනවා. Or you can apply globe. You can apply a shutdown like things, power button. So a lot of icons are there. Right? A lot of icons are there. Tree color icons and all. You can select one of these icons quickly. Can you select one of these icons? Okay, click OK and apply and click OK. That will change the icon. Simple as that. Okay, next day you have to show me something like this. So create a
ෆෝන්
folder.
එකේ කරන විදිය පොඩ්ඩක් කියලා දෙනවද?
මොකද පුතේ?
ෆෝන් එකේ අයිකන් වෙනස් කරන විදිය පොඩ්ඩක් කියලා
ෆෝන් එකේ
දෙනවද?
icon වලට ඔයාලට දාන්න වෙනවා මොකක් හරි Android ද පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ?
Android.
Yes, then you have to use a theme pack, icon pack. So you can just download app called icon. There are different icon changing icon packs or transformation packs. You have to download such things.
Thank you, sir.
Change it. Okay, with that I'll stop for today. Let's discuss the remaining. That chapter is already done. The next chapter I'll discuss next day and with more practicals. Then
Thank you, sir.
Good night.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.